Hello all. Today we will see what is electrical permittivity. In electromagnetism, absolute permittivity, often simply called permittivity and denoted by the Greek letter epsilon, is a measure of the electric polarizability of a dielectric. A material with high permittivity polarizes more in response to an applied electric field than a material with low permittivity, thereby storing more energy in the material. In today's session, we will be seeing what is epsilon r, epsilon zero, and epsilon. Permittivity is a measure of how much electric flux can pass through a material in the presence of an electric field. Permittivity and dielectric constant are related concepts in the field of electromagnetism and describe the behavior of materials in the presence of an electric field. Relative permittivity and dielectric constant are often used interchangeably to refer the same concept. Now we will see what is permittivity of free space. The permittivity of free space epsilon zero is a physical constant that measures how much electric field is generated by a given charge in vacuum. Its value is approximately 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12 farads per meter. It is a fundamental constant in electromagnetism and plays a significant role in defining the properties of electric field and capacitance. Relative permittivity epsilon r, also known as dielectric constant, is a dimensionless quantity that compares the permittivity of a material to that of free space. It indicates how much more polarizable a material is compared to free space. For a material with dielectric constant epsilon r, the permittivity epsilon of the material can be calculated as epsilon equal to epsilon r times epsilon naught, where epsilon zero is the permittivity of free space. The dielectric constant is an intrinsic property of the insulating material. If the insulator is a vacuum, there is still some ability to store charge, that is, non-zero charge accumulates if a voltage is applied, and it is called the dielectric constant of free space or epsilon zero. If the insulator is anything else, it has a higher ability to store charge. We express this ability as a multiple of epsilon zero, and so we say that epsilon equal to epsilon r times epsilon zero, where epsilon r is the relative dielectric constant of the material. For example, the FR4 fiberglass used to make most circuit board has epsilon r equal to 4.2. Hope this video of electrical permittivity is useful for you. Thank you for watching.